You can start earning like this every month. Every month, if you do what I'm about to show you. Facebook monetization is very serious deal, and I'm all for taking it so cheap. If posting on Facebook, posting on Instagram, YouTube, it pays higher even than your job that you are doing. So you can just be posting people's video, editing them. I'll show you exactly how you can post video. I'll show you if you don't want your face to go on social media. I'll show you how you can do so that you can be posting people's content and be earning at least like $2,000, $1,005 a month. It pays more than your job. And make a one seven. It's not about say you are going to do 10,000 videos. No. After monetization, you just need about 2, 3, 4 quality videos. If about 10 minutes view videos can get you like more money. So if you get like 10 minutes video, I hold was mako 10. Na bia unya at least be 500,000 views. At least month you get something. At least month you are going to get something. It's just a strategy. Social media is about strategy. You have to use the strategy right. You have to make sure you follow what your fans need. If you want to get more views or want to get engagement, be consistent on the thing. Sometimes you post and nobody will watch. Don't give up. Just be posting. Just keep posting. Keep posting until it makes sense. There are some of your content that will pay you, some will not pay you, but don't mind that. Keep posting until it start making sense. All you need for this Facebook is obey consistent. Obey consistent while they be posting. Make sure say always if you are posting 3 videos a day, like 2 posts, always you follow. At least post 3 videos as a starter. People post more than 10 videos a day. So like try to post at least 3 videos be 9 views in bro. Then it pays you. Posting a video doesn't take up to 1 gig. It doesn't take up to 1. You browse, you scroll up and down all the day with your data, and it doesn't give you anything. Your smartphone you crown. It's a machine. It's a tool like they make it. So you have to make very good use of your smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, you can use your desktop or your laptop. All you need is to have access to a content that you want to be posting. You can be making cartoon videos, cartoon storytelling, anything you feel like communicating. There are people out there ready to listen, ready to read, ready to watch for you to just make up to like $1,000 a month. This will take you out of poverty and this will give you freedom, because now you can be doing this and just be having a side hustles, just attaching to it. If you get at least $1,000 a month and you have a paying job, you have some small, I'll be making a full video for this. So make sure you follow my page. Make sure you engage anytime, because engagement will tell me I should post more secret about making money. If you don't engage, if you don't show up, sometimes I get into people's DM to tell them secret of making money, because I see them at the comment section each time, each day. If there's anything, there's any link, if you are in a comment section, you are the person I'm going to contact. So please make sure you engage every time. Show up at the comment section, so that if anything, you get the info too. Thank you.